You know that feeling when you have a lot of shit to do, but you're so excited for the plans that you have? Well, that's today. It's Wednesday, 26th. We're leaving in 4 days. Sturgis Motorcycle Rally. We got a lot of shit to do. So we got bikes to clean. We've got to get the wheel chocks in. We got a whole camper to clean. This is our Fuzion Impact 415. We got beginning of the year. Nice little upgrade from our bumper pole. Our little AT4 1-ton. Alright, so we got some cleaning to do. The whole rest of the year, we use this for our 4-seat Razor turbo. This is nice because it's got the little patio. It's got the awning that comes out, and it even's got the 3-season screen doors, which is nice. So those will go across. Nice little barbecue griddle. We have that hooked up. It goes to the propane underneath. We gotta get this shit clean. What's nice, we're gonna have people staying with us, so it has its own bathroom back here. Obviously no shower. Nice living space. And obviously the master through there. Alright, so got the wife's bike pulled in. Let me get mine set up right here. For those of you guys that are doing this, seems like we always see people when they're unloading every year, they forget to put their bikes in transport mode. So, reminder, transport mode before you leave. Alright, now a reminder for transport mode. So my wife's street bob doesn't have the key, so on's here. We're gonna go on, red light, turn off, hold blinkers, T-Sport mode active, transport mode. That's all you gotta do. And when you get there, you unhook. As soon as you turn it on, you're out of transport mode. Alright, now obviously super easy with the wife's bike. Now what I'm nervous about is I've got this douchey, stretched rear end. That ramp's at a little bit of an angle. So I'm really hoping that I don't catch the tail as I load this thing. So let's go over here, take a look at this ramp. So it's not super steep, but I really don't want to catch my rear end. Scrape the tail. Just got that done a month or two ago, whatever it is, and had a rock chip hit one of my side covers. So let's look at this. We'll see. We'll see. Alright, bikes are in. All the Dixons are in. It's very easy for me to pack. Because all I did was grab all my Dixon stuff and throw it in the closet. Shirts, flannels, swim trunks, for the beach party, the chip. Alright, ready.